There are two main types of breaks that you can use in formatting your documents: page breaks and section breaks. How do you know when to use one or the other? You use page breaks when you want to move from one page to the next without using the Enter key. All other formatting remains the same when you use a page break. Section breaks, however, are used when you want to make formatting changes to part of your document. Examples of formatting changes include adding columns, changing page orientation, or changing the pagination style. Let's start with page breaks, since they're pretty straightforward. If you have a title page, you will end up with a lot of empty space at the bottom of the page. There's no need to hit Enter until you get to the bottom of the page, because that creates unnecessary formatting. If I make the formatting visible, you can see how that creates extra formatting. Now let's try it again using page breaks. Place your cursor at the point where you want to insert a page break. Go to the Insert tab of your document and click on the page break icon. This will add a blank page and move your cursor to the top of that new page. Let's make the formatting visible again. We have only one formatting mark, creating a much cleaner document and eliminating possible snags later. Now we're ready to tackle section breaks. To add a section break, go to the Layout tab and locate the Breaks icon. Click on the Breaks icon, which opens a drop-down menu. At the bottom, we find Section Breaks. The first option is Next Page. So let's start with that one. It works like a page break in that it moves your cursor to a new page. But with a section break, you can then format that next page differently from the previous one. Let's say I have a large figure that needs to be after this page. First, I place my cursor at the end of the page and add a section break. Now I have a section break. If I make the formatting visible, you can see where the break is. Now I can format my next page. I have a large figure that doesn't fit neatly onto a regular page, so I need to reorient this page from Portrait to Landscape. To do that, I go to the Layout tab, find the icon for Orientation, and choose Landscape. Then I can just adjust it on the page. That's one use for next page section breaks. Use these when you want to start the new formatting on the next page. You can also do continuous section breaks. These are for use when you want to change the format without changing pages. If you need to have a section of text that is formatted in a block paragraph or in columns, continuous section breaks can help you do that. If I need to add a section of text in column format, I would add a section break, then format the next section for columns. The result would look like this. I can insert another section break at the end of the section and change back to regular formatting.